That's my okay, so this is my beehive. Had it for 3 days, and I just released the queen. It seems to be doing fine. Draw out some comb, and I saw a little pollen coming in, and the queen is accepted. Everybody seems to do fine. Here's some. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, and these guys are working there. It's dripping from there. Kind of annoying. These entrance feeder. And you see that one right there is actually drinking out of the drip hole. Bunch of dead bees in there. I don't know if you can see that. But this is my backyard. I have khaki campbells now. Okay. That's what they look like. I'll come over here. Flower. It's a mess back here, but doing fine. That's Charlie. That's Olive. Gertrude's back there. My quails are in cages. Wish I could somehow let them loose. That's not possible. And there are my meat chickens. And I don't know if you can see this, but there is Millie sitting on her eggs. Some other chickens. But that's what's happening in the backyard now. The lavender has came back. This is a bleeding heart. Button bush. I think. I'm not sure what it was. No, that's the button bush. Forgot what this one was called. Echinops. Butterfly bush. Blackberries. And this is my spring garden. I have cabbage, kale, kohlrabi. Kohlrabi's over there. Cauliflower, broccoli, which should have the heads coming in. Pretty neat. Kohlrabi, more lavender. Oh yeah, that's my honeysuckle. Some green onions, heading lettuce, spinach, more heading lettuce, loose leaf. These are romaines. See the difference between this one and this one? I think these are gonna flower. These red one, as opposed to these guys, they're a little bit more green, and I think they're gonna be heading up. And these are gonna be flowering. Percent of a stalk and flower, I bet. But it's a dino kale again. Some chives over here. Start from seeds, but all these are started from seed except for the cabbage. The cabbage I bought at I think Lowe's or Home Depot. I forgot. Went there and it looked so good that I had to buy some. But yeah, that's the backyard now, and it's a little hectic, but I like it. Nice way to spend the morning. And you can always, so much to do. Watch the khaki campbell. They are a little bit over 3 weeks old. Decided to put them out because they were getting nasty in the house. So, but that's my bee water. That's bee balm, I think. Either that or catnip. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's a chamomile. More here. They start out like that, or like this, and then they come something like that. And they eventually get really big, and it's gonna fill out this whole space. I didn't see them or anything. They reseed themselves each year and come back. This is my mint container. I want to keep them in the container because they will take over. They will take over and conquer the war. I forgot what my wife said. I think that's yarrow. Oh, we planted some. I started some strawberry seed, and these are alpine strawberry. You can see they're tiny right now. Frost got them. There's one blooming. I don't know why it's blooming. Shouldn't be blooming. Oh, see, look at this. The chamomile. They just sprouted out. I think this is another one. Cameroon's pretty good. I mean, they reseed each year. They're everywhere. Butterfly bush. New addition is the currant this year. Got it from a local guy. Found him on Craigslist. I think this is sorrel. Edible sorrel. My rosemary is coming back. This might be the bee balm. And it's mallow. You know, send up stalks and flower, and the bees love that too. But yeah, here's a panoramic view of the back garden and the poultry area and the bees. Okay. There's Dexter and Anya way in the back. A fire pit. Yep. Yeah, I have to have fencing. Well, I just started putting out my summer crop that I started to seed outside so I didn't get used to the sun. The worms, the red wigglers are underneath there. I need to do some cleaning out here. But here's some radish, some turnips, onions that I started from seed too. There's a row of beets down there somewhere. I don't know if you can see them. I think you can see them. Beets. Snow peas. I am not having luck with snow peas for the past couple years. I don't know what's pushing them up because I planted them and something pushed the seed up out of the ground. That's Napa cabbage. I don't know if we're gonna have much luck with them. Don't like to put them in the spring because the slugs get them. Like that one. But they were looking too good, so I bought them. I didn't start them. Fig trees. They are coming back to life. slowly. This is a brown turkey. Let's see. There we go. This is a Celeste. Oh yeah, we got some comfrey this year. Comfrey. And they are good to make a little fertilizer out of them. Cut them and then smash them up and let them ferment for a little while, and we just fertilize the plants with them. Got them from the local guy in St. Matthew again, and he was on Craigslist, and he had some, found them, and these are sunchoke. They're gonna grow about 10, 15, 10, 12 feet tall. They got really tall last year. They're just popping up everywhere. And we eat the roots of them. They're really good. Jerusalem artichoke. Or sunchoke. More. And these are my black raspberries. Hopefully we're gonna have a lot this year. These are the baby one. And here is some dandelions, which I kept for the bees. Not really, just lazy, hadn't clean up the yard. But yeah, that's my garden. My neighbor also has bees. Tony. Hey Dexter. Good boy. Getting that oregano, some chive, thyme. Oh, and sage. Anya's just chilling. Chilling. She chilling? You chilling, Anya? Yep, she is. And my persimmon tree. This is my persimmon tree. Coming back to life. I hope the fruits stay on this year. In a couple of years now. Not doing much. They get the fruit and then it drops off. You get to my neighbor's yard. Hey Hank. That's Hank. Hank's a good dog. He's a good boy. Right, Hank? He's a good boy. Okay. Go see my neighbor's bee. See what's going on over here. Left these out for the bees to clean, but the girls didn't like them. They just melted away, and that's that. See some pollen right there. His is a little bit more well kept. Got a little mulch, and here is his beehive. Nice and colorful. Yep, not a good idea, I bet. People say they'll clean them up, but well, I see one cleaning up, but not much. Most of it's gone to waste. See pollen, and that's his bee. This is some dead one. He laid the mat out to see if how many are dying. Good idea. But these are Tony's bees. They are Italians. Mine are Italian too, but I have a Russian queen. Let's see if we can catch one with pollen. Oh, one just came in. There we go. I'm right next to it. I'm not focusing in, I'm just right next to it. I am like 1 feet away. There's some pollen. But yeah. That's his beehive.